Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to find all the shared documents by date on WhatsApp for PC using the latest update. If you've ever struggled to locate an important file in a chat or group, this new feature is going to make your life a lot easier. Let's get things started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the new features are available. Once the app opens, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with several icons. Next, click on the icon that looks like a small media symbol. This is your shortcut to view all the shared items in your chats: photos, videos, links, and of course, documents. Once you're in the media section, you'll notice a few filters across the top. Go ahead and choose Docs. This will immediately show you every document shared in your chats, anything from PDFs and Word files to spreadsheets and presentations. Now, here's where the new update makes things even smoother. Look at the top of the window and find the sort icon. Click on it and you'll see new options appear. Among these options, there's one that lets you organize your documents by date. Click Choose Period, and a small window will pop up, allowing you to pick the time frame you want. For example, today, this week, this month, or even a custom date range. Once you select your preferred period, WhatsApp will automatically filter all your shared documents according to that timeline. And that's it. Within seconds, you can view all the documents shared during any specific date range, neatly organized and easy to find. This update saves the time and helps you stay more organized, especially if you manage a lot of files through WhatsApp. If you found this guide helpful, try the steps right now and see how much quicker it is to find exactly what you need. Stay tuned for more quick WhatsApp tips and tricks. See you next time.